Welcome back. Okay, so part 2, we're going to learn how to fold and make the arm. After 24 rows, it should look like a star. So I'm going to put you down and we'll get you all squared away and how to fold it and what it looks like. Give me just 1 second. It's going to be a little shaky. All right. There we go. Good view. So this is your inside, and you got to keep this for your reference. So when we fold it, this is what it's going to look like. Get you together. Now, see if you can see that okay. All right. So this part here will be your arm. This is the swoop back aspect. Now we have 2 panels to do this to. So what I'm going to do is I am going to show you how to make the arm. Now for my left-handed lovelies, it should look like this. Here, let me just pick you up, give you a quick looky-loo here. Alright, so you've got your corner. That's the bottom part of your cardigan right there. Up top, you'll have a square look, like so. Now, I'm going to pull back here a little bit. So when my left-handed crocheters, you start from this corner and you work your way this way to that corner. This is the way that it's going to look. So, give me just a half a second. I'm going to put you down, and my right-handers I will show you as well. I closed my tripod. Okay. There we go. Okay, so if you can see that okay, on my knees, you're going to have your corner right here, and it's going to go straight up, and it's going to be flat, so it looks like that. All right, perfect. Give me a half a second here. I forgot my yarn. Okay, we're using gray to do this. So what I like to do, and this goes for both left and right, is we'll slip stitch, put a slip stitch there. Again, 5mm hook. And we're going to place it. We've got our we've got 2 chain 2 spaces. So we're going to put our hook through that. And we're going to make 1 single crochet in there. And give that a little bit of a tighten. Now what we're going to do is we're going to work our way across this all the way to the end. And for my left-handers, you'll be going this way until the end of the arm. And the arm opening will be your ending spot. So what I'm going to do is, hopefully you guys can see that okay. Single crochet into each, double crochet, 1, as long as your hook cooperates, you should be fine. Mine, however, is not. Okay, there we go. Just like that. 1 single crochet into the chain 1 space. Just like that. I gotta move closer to the camera. 1 single crochet in each one of your double crochets. then a single crochet in that single chain space, and we're going to repeat that until we get to the end. So we'll meet back at the end, guys. Okay, last few stitches here. The end of the arm. Yep, perfect. You guys can see that just nice. Okay, so last 3 doubles. 1, 2, 3. I'm going to put 1 single crochet. We've got 2 chain 2 spaces, so we'll put a single crochet in there, just like that. And now here's where it gets a little different. We're going to chain 4. Chain 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. That counts as a treble crochet. Now, for my lefties, you'll be going, use your seam as your reference, and you will be going around this way, like so. For my righties, this is why it's so difficult for left-handers to get proper patterns. You're going to go like this. This is also your reference. So what we're going to do is we're going to yarn over twice. 1, 2. Now this is a chain 2 space right here. And my crochet helper right there. This is our chain 2. So we're going to put 2 treble crochets. So we've yarned over twice. Pull through 2 loops. Yarn over, pull through 2 loops, and pull through. That's 1. Yarn over twice. Go through, pull through 2 loops, pull through 2 loops, pull through 2 loops. So now that's 2 trebles in there. Now we're going to do 1 treble in every single one of these double crochets and single chain spaces. So example, if you go over a little bit, just like this. And now this is our border. Oops, that was a double. Remember to yarn over twice, people. And keep going around the whole thing. Now, we're probably just going to continue on here so that you guys can see what's going on and what it's looking like. It doesn't take very long. It's just kind of yarn consuming. Make sure you have enough yarn. I'll make sure that I put everything in the description below of what you're going to need, tools, what kind of yarn you're going to use, all that happy jazz. Because sometimes you just need to know. And if you're guessing, now you're going to have a extremely large cardigan or an extremely small one, which is fine. I mean, if that's your thing, then that's your thing. So anyways, we're going to continue on here. I'm trying to go fairly slow but fairly fast at the same time so we can keep the video moving. Just like that. And the silence is deafening. Throw a comment below. Tell me what you'd like to see next. Is it a toy? Slippers? Crop tops? Skirts? Whatever you'd like. Tell me what you'd like to see. And I will always try to get a left-handed tutorial at least within the video. That way, anybody who wants to build whatever we're building that day, everybody's got an opportunity to do so. So, Now, we're almost halfway there. So we're going to continue on till we get to about the halfway mark, and then I'll show you what it looks like. Oopsie. There we go. And remember, your crochet hook has got to cooperate with you, because if it doesn't, you get stuff like that. And relax. Have fun. Enjoy. Think of different colors that you want, because it doesn't have to be gray. I've got several different colors. I've got browns, I've got purples, I've got pinks and blues. This one, when we're done, will be gray and green. I know, 2 different colors, but oops. Crochet isn't just about trying to be precise, as you notice. It's to have fun with it, be creative. Okay, we're about the halfway mark, and as if you notice, we've started here, and that's what your border will look like with the trebles. Just like that, right around. So I'm gonna put you on hold and come back and show you how to finish this part off. Okay, here we are, last 3 double crochets right there, and we're going to chain 4, or not chain 4, treble crochet in these last 3 doubles. Now we should be at the end. You see our chain 4 there. Better. Chain 4 there, and a chain 2 space. So we're going to put 2 trebles right there. And then at the very, very top here, right there in our first treble, see the V? We're going to slip stitch in there. Slip stitch, just like that. We're going to chain 1, and we're going to finish off. Boom. Cut her up, pull through, give her a tug. So that right there is our border. That's perfect. Now we're going to be moving on to the next stage, which is our extra rows. Now, extra rows, I'll explain that in the next video, because sometimes, just sometimes, you're not sure exactly what it means until it's explained to you. So, we'll be back. Thanks for watching.